Hey there. So I'm here today to find out if we can run this GoPro 360 camera on a power bank like this here. There is the Anker Solo number 1. I hope I'm good in focus, and you want to see if this camera is running with it. So first of all, let's turn this camera on. There it turns on, and we are in the 360 video mode, 5.6K, 30 frames a second. That's the maximum this thing can do. And we're gonna hit record, and we see our battery has 44% left. And let's unbox this here. Here it says open. Does it not come out? Maybe it knows that my camera is not set to record this. Oh, here, look at this. There it is. So it comes in paper here, in a little bag. And then it has the cable attached to it, the power cable. So we just have to plug it in there and see how it goes. In here is another cable. There is one to charge this thing. But it can also go in and out, right? So it can do both, in and out and charge. In our case, we want to run the camera on that, okay? The screen turned off now. I don't know what that is. No, it's just the screensaver. Right. Okay, let's go up here again. We can see the camera. And then what we want to do here is we want to remove the battery from it. The battery is on the side here. I don't know if you can remove this here. Yeah, the door you can remove for sure. And we can also pull the battery, but I don't want to pull the battery just out because we don't want to damage the SD card or the recording, right? So I push and hold to turn off. Okay, that going off. And pull the battery out, so battery is gone. Now we use the cable what is inside included, stand it up, plug it in, and I think this goes automatically. There's no on-off button, is there? Oh, here it is. Here's an on-off button. I don't know what the on-off button does. Does it turn on or not? I don't know, I think it's on. So we would see I don't know if you can see this, but it shows 100. So let's turn the camera on and see if it turns on. It turns on. Okay, wonderful. So that means the camera battery here, the power bank battery is good enough to run the camera without battery. You can see there is no battery in it. That's good. Now we do a recording here. And we see immediately that we can record on external power bank. And this power bank, now there's so much sun here, can show how much power it has. Here, 100. And so we can do a very long 7-hour, 42-minute video, maybe, possibly. That's how long the SD card can handle it. And that proves that this power bank here, the Anker Solo number 1, I bought this from Amazon, $25. Really is good enough to power this camera all day. Alright, so I hope this helped you here. Check another quick look here in the sun. I hope the camera is focusing on this. Here, look at this. That's how it looks like. This one is like a weird green, right? There is a USB out. That's what it says, IQ. And up here on top is IQ in out, USB-C. And then this is the USB line, the regular one. And when you stand it down here, it's probably visible in the video. You know, I can change this around like this, but you will probably see it down here, but you have power. See, there it is. All right. I hope you like this, and I see you in the next video. I have to put this back together here. Battery goes back in here. Oh, that's the wrong way. Battery goes back. Oh no, it's not good for the battery. I think I dented it. Battery goes this way. There it is. And then the door goes back in here. Without breaking it. There it is. And when we close this to get waterproof, make sure the red stuff goes away. It looks like sleek here. Look at that. Okay. And then to protect the lenses at all time, always keep the caps on. I love this on this camera. When you put the cap on and you hold with your fingers on the other side, there's no lens. You can really grab it here, you know, and push those things in nice. That was good about this GoPro. Alright.